Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. Here's the house we just got done pouring, but today's video is going to be about how to pour this garage floor. It's 36 by 24. We used what was left in the house. We just got that spread out. But first, I want to say this video is being sponsored by the Concrete Underground. So if you want to learn how to do concrete just like we do, I got all my training courses inside the Concrete Underground. So you can just join up. All the trainings are in video format just like this. So if you want to learn how to do concrete, the link for that is down below. Now we're going to get into pouring this garage. We tied the pink rebar in here, 18 inches on center. We're using a 4,000 PSI concrete with a water reducer in it so we can pour a pretty high slump. We got microfiber mesh in the concrete also. And our job here is we're hired just to pour and finish the concrete for both the house and the garage today. So we're getting both done today. Now I got this one, the garage, on the video here. So you're going to get to watch us and just see what our technique is. And these are the same types of techniques that you'll learn inside the Concrete Underground if you join that. So this one's going to be just about pouring the garage. Now I got also trainings in there on how to finish concrete, power troweling concrete, all that kind of good stuff. Basically being in business just like I am. So take a look at the video. Let me know down in the comments, if you got any questions, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks.
No comment. Did you throw the oil in? Top of oil? Yeah. Top of oil. Now you didn't want outside. Okay. One more. name, Mike?
Modelo.
I got it. Go ahead. Go ahead, Josh. Keep an eye on the form. In right now. Go ahead a little bit. In and out. Good, good. This is Steel Thomas. Yeah. Alright, can you read my information? Now, do you want me to mess with it? Cause it's, yeah.
When they close. What? Gonna be a ditty. That team's not like. He's got like 160 people come out against him right now. One of them's a 7-year-old boy. Other guy. 120 people inspired I don't think any people would think going on what. Yeah, there was. There's like a network something. They're not a Netflix software, but it's called DEWALT right here. Yeah. What's up? DEWALT right here. I got that software. Hey, how you doing? Forward first thing. As you scream, you see that little gap? Forward first thing. FLAKE. Don't hit him in the face. You know, that's oh, jeez. Can't make you want to get hit with a rebar. Not rebar. Hold up, Mike. Oh, he did it! Good boy. He's a quick runner. That's our captain.
Joy's doing all the work to build in the French garage, the house. Aaron Foods has been doing the pool, and so Joy's building them a big pool house there in the garage. So they got the pool house in. Come find out. We got two lots. All 25 by 25, 5 by 21 on the back, 12 by 1. I can have a bag of cut it. Go by. Like if I'm busy,